Welcome back to the another session of our English class. Students, are you safe at home? Hope you all are safe at home. So, are you ready for today's class? Okay, let's start the class. Students, do you remember the previous class? What have we discussed in that class? Tell me. Yes, very good. We have started a new unit, Seeds and Deeds. What have we discussed in that unit? We discussed the theme of the unit. So, what is the theme of the unit? Seeds and Deeds. Yes, some of you are telling the right answer. Work is the theme of the unit. Then, what have we studied there? Yes, we have studied an anecdote. Am I right? Do you remember the title of that anecdote? Yes, very good. Smart work versus hard work is the title of this anecdote. Here, we have concluded that smart work and hard work together leads to the achievement in life. Now, what moral does this anecdote convey? Yes, very good, students. Mere hard work makes a man unhappy. Dedication and practical knowledge are essential to derive happiness from work. All of you study this moral very well, okay? Students, hope you all got an idea about the previous class. Didn't you? Now, shall we move on to the first lesson in this unit? Yes. Students, what is your ambition in your life? Okay, some of you like to be a teacher, some of you like to be a doctor, some of you an engineer. So all of you have different ambitions in your life. Am I right? But to achieve that goal, you need encouragement from others. It will give you the confidence to achieve the goal. Then you can achieve that goal when you are doing that work with dedication and hard work. Am I right? Then it will give you the happiness in your life. So, today I'll introduce you the story of a boy who wanted to paint a beautiful picture. So, all of you take your English text and take page number 84. Look, what's the title of the story? Yes, The Light on the Hills. Now all of you read the sentence given just below the title of the story. You have read the anecdote, smart work versus hard work, haven't you? Smart work done with dedication brings success and happiness. Read the story about a boy who wanted to paint a beautiful picture. Let's find out what inspired him in his journey. Students, what is this story about? Yes, very good. The story is about a boy who wanted to paint a beautiful picture. Now, I'll give you an idea about this lesson, Light on the Hills. The Light on the Hills focuses on how one can achieve perfection in one's work. Words of encouragement develops confidence which helps to bring out the best in an artist. This eventually brings happiness which helps the artist to work better. Students, who is the author of the story? Yes, Lucy Clifford is the author of this story. In page number 84, you can see the profile of the author Lucy Clifford. So, I'll give you the profile of Lucy Clifford in detail. Lucy Clifford. She was born in 1846. She was better known as Mrs. W. K. Clifford. She was a British novelist and journalist. Her best known stories are Mrs. Kate's Crime, The Last Touches and Other Stories, etc. She wrote a play, A Woman Alone. She is most often remembered as the author of the Anyhow Stories, Moral and Otherwise, and a collection of stories written for children. She was died in 1929. Now, all of you take page number 84. I'll read the first paragraphs. All of you listen carefully and identify the difficult or unfamiliar words. I want to work at my picture, he said, and went into the field. The little sister went too and stood by him watching while he painted. The trees are not quite straight, she said, and oh, dear brother, the sky is not blue enough. It will all come right soon, he answered. Will it be of any good? Oh, yes, she said, wondering that he should even ask. It will make people happy to look at it. They will feel as if they were in the field. Students, did you identify any difficult words? Field. What do you mean by field? Field is an area of open land. For example, this is the picture of field. Next word is wondering. Wondering means admiring. Students, can you see a picture there in your text? All of you look at this picture. Who are the two main characters here? Yes, very good. The two main characters are the little boy and the little sister. Where are they standing? Yes, they are standing in a field. What are they trying to do? Yes, they are trying to paint a beautiful picture of nature. What is the little sister doing there? Yes, she is giving suggestions for her brother to make the painting more perfect. Now all of you look at the text. I'll explain this paragraph. Here, the boy wanted to paint a picture, so he went into the field. His little sister also stood beside him while he was painting. She helped her brother to make the painting more perfect, so she gave him proper directions for painting the picture. The boy had a confidence that all will come right soon. But he had a doubt whether it will be useful for others. At that time, his sister replied yes to give him more confidence in doing his job. Then she encouraged him by telling that this picture will make people happy while looking at this and they will feel as if they were in the field. Students, my question is, how according to the girl can the boy make people feel happy while looking at this picture? Yes, some of you are telling the right answer. According to the girl, the boy can make the people happy by drawing pictures same as he see in the nature. Students, hope you all understood this explanation. Am I right? Now all of you take page number 85. I'll read the next paragraph. At that time, all of you identify the difficult words. If I do it badly, will it make them unhappy? If you do your work with dedication and honesty, people will know how hard you have tried. She answered, and for this reason, they like your work. Look up, she said suddenly. Look up at the light upon the hills. And they stood together looking at all he was trying to paint, at the trees and the field, at the deep shadows and the hills beyond, and the light that rested upon them. The sunlight was glimmering. The leaves were rustling. They could hear a stream rippling somewhere. Hope you all identified the difficult words. So first word, dedication. Dedication means commitment. Look the word honesty. Honesty means sincerity. The next word is glimmer. Glimmer means to shine. The next word is rustling. Rustling means making soft sound. Students, did you see the word stream? Stream is a narrow river. This is the picture of stream. The next word is ripple. Ripple means to create waves on the surface of water. Now look at this picture. This picture shows the rippling of water. Now I'll give you the explanation for this second paragraph. The boy is asking so many doubts to his little sister to make his picture perfect. He is asking that if he do it badly, will it make people unhappy? Here, the little sister was always ready to clear her brother's doubts. So, what was her reply? She replied that if you do your work with dedication and honesty, people will know how hard you have tried. Then she added that it is a beautiful world because the sight of the light upon the hills, shadows of the trees, and the fields, glimmering of sunlight, rustling sound of leaves, and the sound of rippling stream were attractive to her. Students, hope you all understood this paragraph. Am I right? Students, hope you all understood today's class. So we will meet in the next class with the rest of this story. Students, all of you read the text thoroughly. Okay? So we will meet in the next class. Thank you, students.